Is it dinner time, mamas?
It is dinner time. Nora and June are doing really good. Nora opens her mouth big and wide for me usually. Usually you do, Nora, don't ya?
You like eating, Nora? Chomp chomp?
She does really good. She opens her mouth right up.
That's a good chomping. Ella, are you eating too? Are you eating your food?
And then June just likes to slurp it off. She likes to slurp it off the spoon. We all have our own ways, right? We all have